This dance is called Lover Girl. 32 count, 2 wall. It's an improver level line dance. There are 2 tags in this dance, tag 1 and tag 2. Let me show you the main dance. Starting with your right foot, step right to the side, rock back, recover on your left. Rock back and recover. Step left to left, behind side. Cross right over left, cross side recover, cross left over right, cross side rock recover. Section 1 with the count 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 2, forward mambo on your right, forward mambo, back mambo on the left, right, recover, forward. Pedal 4 times to make a full turn to your left. Pedal turn, pedal turn, pedal turn, pedal turn. So section 2 with the count 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and section 3. Cross right over left, cross, step left to the side, behind sweep, make a quarter turn to your right, behind, quarter, forward. Repeat again, cross right over left, cross, side, behind sweep, behind, quarter, forward. Section 3 with a count 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Last section, scissors cross. Side together, cross, side together, cross, sway right, left, right, left. So last section, scissors cross, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you end the dance at 6 o'clock. Let me go through the dance from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this dance, there are 2 tags. Tag 1 at the end of wall 2 and tag 2 at the end of wall 4. Let me show you tag 1. Tag 1, you start with your right foot. Stomp your right to the side. Hold. Stomp the left to the left. Hold. Step your right to right again. Drag left towards right over 2 count. Left, left. Step your left to left. And drag right towards left over 2 count. And left, left. So this is tag 1. Let me go the count with tag 1. 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for tag 2 will be 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4,